Hey guys, hope you guys are having a great time. So I have come up with a great concept that's on support and resistance. That's nothing but demand and supply. How actually a bankers or an investor, huge investor thinks. This is basically for intraday traders, but it can be useful for the long-term investors too. You can find out where you can see major selling or major buying is done. That is what I wanted to show on this video, and this can be used as your simple strategy where you can directly target to that particular zone which I'm going to show. And yeah, I think you can have a look. You basically would have learned on breakout structures, right? That is what is the logic. This is what the logic you see behind all those breakout structures. You see breakout structures in everyday movement. That is the basic thing we have been learning since we are learning intraday or whatever trading is. So this is the basic logic behind breakout structure. And whenever you see that particular demand, so this helps for you to identify when there's a huge falling in the market or on an intraday. So basically, if you're focusing on 3 minutes or 4 minutes or 5 minutes, or you see 10 minutes, you see huge candles, and you get scared that, oh gosh, my trading day is done. No, it's not like that. You can identify where it will stop or where you can target easily. That is what I'm going to be showing here. So yeah, let's just get into it. So yes, I will be showing on these 4 points. So basically I will be marking on the higher time frame and then going on to the lower and then marking important zones and then marking or setting them as my supply and demand. I'll show you how this works. So basically on the first part I will be marking my high on the higher time frame. So basically what I'm going to do is I'll go on a little higher time frame. Why I am going on the higher time frame is because you get the top view. Okay, so what I basically here want to do is I want to basically I'll just I keep doing this, okay, don't mind. So yeah, first I will be marking all the consolidation areas. These are the main areas which are going to give the major movements. You see that there's a major fall like this or like this, or you see there's a major move on the upside, and then when it comes back you see there's a major move back. So these are the zones I'll be marking on the higher time frame. That is what is marked on higher time frame. So yeah, I'll be showing 2 or 3 examples and you can backtest it anyways. So on the first part, this is a recent chat, right? So I will mark this as my first consolidation. Is this okay? This as my first consolidation. Okay, let me mark it till here. First consolidation. This can be my second consolidation. My consolidation area where the market didn't know where to go, so it was struggling between these two lines, supply and demand, right? I'll mark one more, some good ones, so you get the best good idea. That's the reason behind this. You see that this also can be a good consolidation area. See, 1 2 3 4 5. So these 3 examples I'll be showing you. You can mark it to everything. See, this can also be a good consolidation. I can't show you everything, right? So yeah, you can mark all of them. Wherever you see consolidation on the higher time frame, you can mark them. Then go on to the lower time frame, like 15 minutes or 5 minutes for your intraday, however you are comfortable with on your trading. See, this is what is consolidation. Can you see that there's consolidation in this box, So basically what you can do, there will be no strategy required. You can buy here, sell here, buy here, buy, sell, buy, sell, like that. You can keep doing in these boxes. This can also be one of the strategy, but I'm showing you different, where I'll be showing on how to consider the major important zones here. So when you mark these kind of boxes, you basically did the first step and second step. The third one is the important zones. So what is the important zone is, you guys know I just spoke about the breakout structure. Everyone knows the structures, right? Once the structure is broken. So 1 minute. Yeah. If the market is like this and then comes down, once it breaks, this is the most traditional one you've been seeing when you start learning stock market. So you see that there will be a retesting phase here. Once it goes above, crosses below, it retests and falls down. The same thing I'll be doing right here. There are a lot of things you have seen in the triangle pattern, right? Triangle pattern. If it crosses any of these lines, you get the breakout structure, and that's when you start seeing large movements. The same thing I'm going to do. What is the thing is, see, basically to form this box, it has to move from this box, right? What is the reason for it to move is my question. Let me go on a little higher time frame, that's 15 minutes, so that you can understand properly. To move out from this particular box, this consolidation box, which candle is the reason? Which candle? So you start seeing large candles from this point. Do you agree this particular red candle or this green candle, you can mark any of them, but basically this consolidation area, this breakout gave me a large movement on the top. So what I do is I mark this, I extend it right, and I'll not see, because basically I'll not be knowing what's going on that side. So I will mark this as one zone, and to break this and this, which is the one more zone, I can mark this too, right? I can mark this consolidation too. It broke out from here. So what basically this means is, this becomes support 1 or support 2. Basically this becomes one of my support and one of my support, right? Basically what I'm talking, support and resistance is nothing but supply and demand. Okay, this becomes my demand zone and the other ones becomes my supply. Okay, and it went through this becomes my support. What I basically am explaining is, let it break the structure. I'll explain this one later. I am explaining about these two whatever zones I've marked. So basically it moved from this box, and then whenever it comes back, where do you think it will take support? Obviously it has to take from this support, because this is the place where many buyers were seen. The sellers turned into buyers. So basically this particular zone will become my support zone. So what you have to do is, just once when you see that this box is broken here, what is the next possible support you can expect? This one or this one? Simple. Book your profits here, or if you're an aggressive trader, book it till here, and then you know what to do next. If this has given such a big bullish candle right here, such a big bullish move here, why can't you expect the same? Here you start seeing the consolidation, and please do follow my RSI or just watch my video, you will understand it better. Look at my RSI, it is giving divergence here. divergence here. The market is here only, but it is giving divergence where it says that there are a lot of buyers seen here. That is when you have to see RSI indicator. I don't use indicator, I use indicator only for this. So basically you have to use it here. You see there are a lot of buyers. So what you have to do is, when you've already seen that there are a lot of buyers here, why can't you buy with a stop loss? Just go long, risk your trade until where? Till where? Till my next resistance. Do watch my support and resistance video too. My first target would be this, right? Because I'll close this for now. What is my next resistance? From the same thing, same concept comes here. Market fell from here. So this is going to be my first target and second target. I told you I'll explain it later, right? That is what I wanted to explain. To move out from this box, which candle is responsible? It is simple. Go on the higher time frame, which if you're trading on 5 minutes chart, go on the 15 minutes chart and then see which candle is the reason for it to break. You can mark this candle, see this low, I'm sorry, yeah, this low, this low, this low. Okay, this box is perfect for me. So I will be marking this candle. I'll be marking any of this. There's a lot of consolidation, right? This candle is particularly very interesting. So what I'll do is I'll go little on a smaller time frame also. You can see on that time frame, but what I'm basically showing you here is there's a lot of consolidation area till here, right? There's a lot of consolidation area till here. Then you see the large candle here. So what I basically do is I will be marking this candle where you can see that in 15 minutes time frame, yeah, I'll be marking this candle, whichever is comfortable for you. You can mark the whole candle or just the consolidation from here till here. You can mark that candle, and in and around you can see that there will be a good resistance. See, as I expected that the market fell till this area. What happened was from here the market started going upside on a bullish way. So when it fell down here, again, what is the next resistance I have to aim? Here. And then I will be showing the same thing here, that I'll close this for a while and then, okay, let this be my one of my support. And then yeah, if I could see that this was a very good gap down candle and this also a major candle. So what is the reason for it to go bullish? This particular candle, do you agree with this? So I will be marking this candle, this red consolidated candle, and a great green up one. So there was a great bullish candle. So I will mark that. See how beautifully it has rejected from here, and then it is going to go above, right? So what you can expect is it to go to this line or where the major candle. So this you can mark the candle. So yeah, it is consolidating here, and you can expect it till here or then go down till where? From here the market has started, or the market has started here, or even if it goes below that, my next support will be, if you want to consider this as your consolidation area, see this is a reason why it has gone above. Or if you want to consider then the lows, and you can consider this candle, right? This candle is one of the great support for it to go above, to form one more box. That is how. I'll be showing you one small example in the last. So basically what happened? So you saw that there was a great bullish move here. Great bullish move here. Do the same things which I told. Mark on the higher time frame, then go to the lower time frame, mark important zone, and then so and so. So what you are going to do here is see the market structure. It fell down from here. Fell down, right? What you have to do is on higher time frame, mark this as your rectangle. Okay, I will mark this as my rectangle. Okay, then I see this basically broke out this consolidated area. Okay, so I will mark this candle as my good resistance. From here I could see the market falling down. So whenever I see that there is a whenever the market reaches here, I will be expecting it to go down with my stop loss. Whatever you do, it's always with your stop loss like this, and target it till your Fibonacci. Or I will tell you one more thing, the same example which has come here. If this was your major selling, 1, 2, okay, if these two were your major selling, this is mainly for intraday, all small moves. Okay, this is the candle which is reason for it to break the structure. So I will mark that. You don't have to worry. Once you sell here, your easy target is about here. See how much are you earning. If you are on the futures, you're done for the week. That's about 681. 681 into minimum is 25. That's in and around 25 into 6 times. So into 100. That is how much you earn in a day. This is a day. Days are 1 and 2. 2 days this is. In 2 days you earn about 25 into 681. That's about 17k. The investment is around 5,000 or 10,000 at the most. That is how you earn. See, once you see that this candle is a reason for it to go above, what do? You buy here and sell to your whatever. Okay, you don't have to find this only. Buy here and sell here. That's all. Then you've got one more 681. So you're done for the week or month, right? That is how I want you to do it. Go have a back test and then come back and let me know how the video was, and keep following my account. Thank you so much.